Mansville, New York.
That big. You gotta have all those curves.
Wait till it cools off.
Tara Moore from Boonesboro, Maryland. The John Deere they call the Agitator. All right, ladies, it's up to you. You got to cheer her on. If she gets up her past 270, she is going to be in the thick of things with the rest of the guys. Tara Moore with the Agitator. Robert Martin, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. John Deere fans, do you think he can do it? John Deere number 1 and 2, you think he can do it? And it's blood, sweat, and tears, and Jim McKenzie.
Come on,
So
buddy.
we'll see what the Empire Express can do. Wayne Durfee on a very